That's breakfast. It's our second day here. It's the first chill day we have since the start of the trip. This is the first day we're not really going anywhere and just going around to chill and, you know, visit beaches and stuff. So. Okay, so I know it's supposed to be a chill day, but it's 11:15 and we haven't done anything. I'm still waiting for Nomo and what we're supposed to be doing. I've been sitting here for like 2 hours. Okay, so Nomo just passed by to tell me that they're really busy with the restaurant and he can't really go with me to anywhere. We're gonna meet for dinner later because that's when he's free. But right now, I was advised to rent a motorcycle and go around, which is what people here do anyway. So I guess for now, that's the plan. That's Jomar. He's helping us rent the bike. Okay, so we're going on top of the mountain. We've been told that once you get to the top, you shouldn't go down any further because the moss is too slippery. So we're gonna go up there, and then once we find the peak, we're gonna go down and then find something else to do. You can see the fog rolling in. This is how bad the fog is. No man, at noontime. They say it's okay to go down there as long as there's sun, because the sun, like, I don't know, kills the moss, or at least maybe dries it up, I guess. But with this weather, with this fog, you shouldn't go any further. We really are in the middle of nowhere this time though. They're saying this place is like the witch isle, or you know, mystic isle or something like that. I don't want to spend too much time here. It's the middle of the day and the fog looks like it's like, you know, it's almost like sunset or something.
No, well, it's kind of slippery if you go like 30 kilometers per hour.
That's fine. Okay, thank you.
No problem. Good job.
I'm pretty sure this is past the point where we're supposed to stop, but yeah. I'm pretty sure this is the mossy part. I don't think there's much to see there, since those guys did say it's just a village. I think we should head back to see cooler stuff, I guess, right? At the very least. The sky's clearing up. We should definitely fly the drone before heading down. High wind warning. Nah.
Take off.
Now it's time to take another ride and see where we end up. These guys are here for longboarding. We're gonna try to get some video of them. I'm actually gonna see if I can catch up with them. out for something cool to go to. That's Kalipay Spring. I saw a sign on the map that says there was a spring thing. It just looks like a public pool with, with benches and stuff. I mean, it's not bad, but we're not something we're gonna stay at. I'm stopping to eat and to ask where I should go. So apparently, other than beaches and bars and stuff, what we should visit is the Balete Tree, which is like an old scary tree, and Paliton Beach. So we're gonna head to one of those right now. So we're doing the Balete Tree first, and then we're doing Paliton for golden hour. We're here at the tree. We're gonna go closer to see what's there. It's awesome. And therefore conclude that my right foot is steadier than my left one. These guys are like reaching critical mass on the right hand. So anyway, back to the tree. So the Balete Tree is like a big deal here. I think it's because of how it looks that people say that spirits and stuff like that live in the tree. Maybe because, or maybe just because it's scary at night or something like that. So the bigger ones kind of more scarier for people. It's something like that. We ended up spending too much time there. I didn't know about the fish thing, so I thought we were gonna stay here like 5 minutes. But yeah, because of that, we had like 10 minutes to get to the other beach. So we're here at the beach, trying to catch the sun that's setting in 8 minutes. It looks like we're here just in time. Just in time. So that was that, and now it's almost completely dark out. Now we need to meet up with Nomo. Can't even get reception here, so I can't call him. So we're here at the buffet place that no one wants us to go to.
When will you say?
When will you say yes to me?
Tell me quando, quando, quando.
Tell me quando, quando, quando.
We have to see this. That's Nomo. And I don't know the source of this false self-confidence. It's there.